guess I'm going to bring a perspective that you may not have. I'm going to bring a perspective on how technology works and how operations works. I may be a breath of fresh air to come in and help you identify that we need to implement process. I might be the person who comes in to validate or back up your shop floor who's telling you that we need better process. But I'm a big process guy. I'm a big operations guy. I'm going to lean heavily on whatever your ERP is. Does your ERP have the ability to bring in the process? I bet it does. Well, we're going to take advantage of that. Did you go through all of those steps? Oh, you skipped it? Why? Why did you skip it? I want to know. We want to make sure that this process gets done. It's not the fact that you've been here for 12 years, Jim. It's the fact that we have a process and I need you to check the boxes off. Our customers are paying for us to be on point with our products. And if we're not doing our QA properly because we didn't adhere to our process, our customers are going to go elsewhere because they're not going to be happy with our end result.